bitch. If you here, then that means you want to see me do my hair. I was honestly a little under the influence while doing this, so y'all don't judge me. I see that little cast or whatever, fixed it after, couldn't really see it like when I was filming. But yeah, like if y'all want to see this True Glory hair in action and see me, do my shit. Ooh, not me coming close. Ooh. Y'all just keep watching. Not the ooh.
Invincible.
An unboxing of this hair that I have in my head. It's from True Glory and Yall. We're about to get into it, but just I did the unboxing part, but I don't know what happened with my memory card or whatever. So like I tried to upload it and it was like, this is corrupted, blah blah blah. So I don't have like my original like of like when I got the hair, but so let me start off with like what they sent me. They sent me a 22-inch bundle, a 20-inch bundle, and a 20-inch frontal. I wanted 3 bundles because normally I got like a big head, so normally like that's what I need for like a full head, but this ended up being really good for the 2 bundles. Yeah, I only have 2 bundles in my head in the frontal, and y'all, like, this hair is fucking everything. Like, the ends were like a little like scraggly when I first got them, so it's like I was like, bruh, like this is not about to work out. Like I need that bundle. But it's like this is very flowy, like it's giving like, it's not like super thick. I don't feel like I'm gonna sweat like crazy, even though it is long. And I feel like this is a generous 22, because I'm about 5'9", and I've never had a 22 hit my butt. Like this is it's a 22. I feel like, but yeah, since I don't have the unboxing, I'm gonna show y'all what they came in. The packaging wasn't all that, if I'm being honest. The bundles came in these 2 True Glory bags. These are really cute actually. And then the frontal was just in like a plastic bag, and it was all just kind of in a little poly mailer, so the packaging wasn't, you know, too crazy. And I'm like I'm not gonna lie, like I was kind of disappointed because this is like one of the bigger brands that I've worked with, and you know, I don't know if they did it because like I'm, you know, small or what, but I have had, you know, companies send me hair in like boxes, and it's like a really nice presentation. These satin bags are really cute, but you know, it doesn't shed. I know it's only been like a day, but when I did make the wig, I did have to cut the wefts and stuff, and it's not like uncontrollable shedding, like it's nothing like that. The hair is really nice, it's really soft, it's very shiny, it doesn't have like a nasty hair smell or nothing like that. My underarms are really dark. Wow. What else? Yeah, I mean, I feel like that people get really like excited or like feel like a different person like when they try like a crazy color, but it's like me, that's all I do is like crazy colors. Like I do orange, I do blonde, I do, you know, pink, red. Like I be doing crazy colors that people don't see like on like a normal basis, like neon green. But it's like when I go back black, that's why I'm like, oh yeah, hello, that bitch, me. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. I'll definitely do like an update in like a couple of months, like after I take it off, put it in my wig bin, and see like how it has to come back to life. But this is some of the softest hair that I've ever felt. Like it just feels, it feels really good. If there's a discount code or whatever, I don't think that they gave me one, but if I end up going back through the email and I find it, then I'll put it in this video, around this video, below, some shit. I'll put it somewhere. But yeah, like I'm fucking with it. I feel like I did really good on my install. Yo, I really don't have on like, I put on like BB cream. I really don't have on like makeup for real, but these are the vibes. And y'all know me, like I love something I can just tuck behind my ear. I added like, see when I turn, like it just make it look like, I don't know. I added like a little bit of baby hairs. I don't know what that cast is when I turn this way, but it's literally not there when you look from the front. So I don't know. Maybe it's just like